All right, so today what we're doing is we're cleaning up these dies. These are dies that are wood bottoms, and then they have a metal top to them. You can see that. And this is in the beginning of, this is the introduction. This is the image. And then this is a dirty one. And you can kind of see that. And so again, wood, you can see how old this wood is. And so this is on the Royal Arch. So that's what this image is today. So we're going to try to print it, and you can see the T, and then when you get the book, you'll be able to see it. This is the opening chapter of the Royal Arch. Sorry for the shaky filming of this, but anyway, so we're going to clean this up with mineral spirits, and I'll show you how to do that, and then we're going to print on it today.